Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am actually going to be reviewing the whole line of the vegan ceramide line from Pacifica. I have been a huge fan of the line ever since it came out, and there are a couple of new releases that I want to chat about first. So let's go ahead and talk about one of the favorites. This is the vegan ceramide serum. So if you are not aware of what ceramides can do for the skin, they are like a building block for the skin, and they can help repair your skin barrier and really give you a better skin health. And it's one of the things too that actually breaks down as you age. So if you have them in your skin, you're consistently using them, your skin can become healthier. If you have sensitive skin, if you have rosacea, eczema, anything that is going to really kind of destroy your barrier, this is going to help you. And I was really pleasantly surprised by this serum. It is very lightweight, so I typically use this right after I use a hyaluronic acid, and it just really amplifies my skin. It feels dewy, it feels very moisturized, ultra hydrating, and not really sacrificing the fact that it is lightweight. It still packs a really great punch when you're talking about a serum. So I really love the addition of this product in the actual line, and it's one of my favorites that I like using. And the second one that I really like using is the vegan ceramide face oil. This was another one that actually surprised me as well. I have pretty acne prone skin. Typically in the wintertime, it's more combination. I'm drier around my cheeks and my forehead and just oilier everywhere else. But this is really nice because I feel like it is more so of an oil that kind of plumps and seals everything in. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel like it is just sitting on top of my skin. It really did a great job of just letting all of the hydrating products from my serums, from my moisturizer, and just locks it in without the heaviness. It's very light. Some people I've seen online have described this as more of a dry oil. It's not necessarily a dry oil to me, but it does not leave your face sticky or uncomfortable, which I really like. This is actually only the second oil that I've used in the past 2 years. If you follow me on Instagram or if you've seen some of my previous videos, my favorite oil that I've discovered is the Mila Clarity oil, and this is a really nice second choice for me. I've been typically using this in the evening time right after I put on my moisturizer to, again, just seal everything in, and I've been really enjoying it. So the next product is their vegan ceramide barrier face lotion. I've been using this in the daytime, like after I work out. I typically do like a midday routine, and this is what I use in my midday routine. I will say that I enjoy this more than I enjoy the actual moisturizer from the line. The moisturizer from the line is definitely made for people with oily skin. It leaves a matte finish, but I always felt like with that formulation that it was missing something a little bit more emollient. I felt like it needed to be a little bit more hydrating. This one is like a perfect hybrid of the moisturizer and the eye cream, because I felt like the eye cream did a better job of moisturizing my skin and keeping it hydrated. So if you are looking for a product that could maybe be like a secondary product from your face serum, but don't really want to go into like heavier kinds of moisturizers, this could be a really good choice. Now, I also, on my previous review, when I did it on YouTube, I didn't actually talk about the eye cream, but I do enjoy the eye cream. It's a fragrance-free option for people who are looking to, still have some firmness and tightness in their under eye, but do not want to have that added fragrance. This, again, has the ceramides in it, just like every other product that's in this line, and it's a pretty good one. Out of all of the product, I believe the face cream, so the moisturizer, and this, as well as the eye patches, are the ones that are kind of not necessarily ones that you need to go pick up. But again, the facial oil, the serum, and of course, what I'm going to be talking about next, the face wash. Oh, like, I love it so much. I am not really a person who even really enjoys like creamier kind of cleansers, but this one is a very low foam kind of cleanser, but I just really enjoy the experience. I started to use this initially when I sensitized my skin. I was doing a little too much with the exfoliation, and it just left my skin so nice. I didn't experience any stinging, and it does a really great job of cleansing my skin and SPF, which is really important to me when I have a cleanser. And I'm not going to show you guys the actual moisturizer. I'm gonna leave a link for my review on Instagram because I have it there. And the eye patches, the reason why I'm not sharing the eye patches with you is because Pacifica actually just came out with their reusable eye patches. And a trick that you could do instead of buying the Ceramide vegan eye patches is just utilize the serum or utilize the face lotion and use the reusable eye patches. That way you don't have to continue to keep using those, buying them and disposing of them. Love this line. I am affiliated with Pacifica. If you are interested in trying out the products, I'm gonna leave my affiliate link below. But tell me down below if you've tried this, or tell me what your favorite Pacifica line is. I actually just got to try a ton of other products from them and I'm obsessed with their perfume now. I didn't even realize that they had so many. The Moon one is just so stunning. Let me know also what other videos you'd like to see from me. I'm trying to really reignite my YouTube this year. So I'll talk to you guys in the comments. Bye.